Okay, let's look at the homework 3.5, number 6. Right, so let's take the derivative. At least the first derivative. So take the derivative with respect to x. Right, so we will get, let's see, 2 times 3, 6x squared plus 9y squared. Then you have to multiply by dy over dx, right, is equal to derivative of 8 is 0. Right? Then we can just subtract 6x squared from both sides. You get the 9y squared dy over dx is equal to negative 6x squared. Right? Then we can just divide it through by. So divide by 9y squared. That way we can get dy over dx, which is equal to negative 6x squared divided by 9y squared. Right? So 6 and 9 has both 3 in it, so divide through by 3, so you get 3 here and 2 here. So this is going to give you negative 2x squared over 3y squared. Right? So that's the first derivative. Right? Now we're going to take the second derivative. So we take the second derivative. So d2y dx2. Right? Alright, so let's take the first derivative. So alright, now negative 2/3 is just a constant, so I'll just put it outside. Negative 2/3 is just a constant, so put it outside. Then use the quotient rule to take the derivative. So square the bottom, so y squared squared, so y to the 4th power, right? Derivative of the x squared would be just 2x times the bottom, so y squared, minus top is x squared, times the derivative of the bottom is 2y dy over dx. Alright, so then we just need to simplify, so it's negative 2/3 is in front. Right, so y to the 4th is nice, so I'll just keep that. Right, so you have a 2xy squared, right, minus 2x squared y, but you need to multiply by dy over dx is actually this guy. So it's negative 2x squared over 3y squared. Right? So let's simplify. So there's a y here, so we can cancel this y and one of the y here. Right? So since, let's see, so you have 3y we wouldn't be able to get rid of, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 3y. So that we don't have to deal with fractions, inside fractions. And so I'm going to multiply top by 3y and also bottom by 3y. Right? So this way we'll get negative 2/3 is just a constant in front. Then what you get on the bottom is 3y to the 5th power. Right? Then you multiply this, so it's 3y times 2xy squared. So that will give us 6x y cubed, right? Then if you multiply by 3y, so this is cancel out with that guy, right? So you will get the plus 2 negative 2 times negative 2 is 4x to the 4th power. All right. Then what we can do is we can factor out let's see 2x from the top. So let's do that. So it's a negative 2/3. I'll leave that alone for now. Right, you have a 3y to the 5th, right? So from here, common factor would be 2x, right? This way we'll have, so I'm going to have 4x to the 4th, then you factor out 2x, you're going to have 2x cubed, right? If you factor out 2x from 6x y cubed, you're going to get the plus 3y cubed, right? The reason why I wanted to do that is so you can see that there's a 2x cubed plus 3y cubed is equal to 8. So we know that this guy right here, these two guys combined together is 8 from the initial equation. Alright, then we can just simplify everything together. So you have, right, it's definitely a negative sign there, right? So it's going to be 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32. So you have a 32x on top, right? Then you have 3 times 3y to the 5th. So it's going to be 9y to the 5th power, right? So that's the second derivative of y with respect to x, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.